It doesn't matter the version of Windows of the hardware configuration, at one point or another, the system will slow down, causing the experience to feel sluggish and apps to become unresponsive. When this happens, the problem could be that devices max out of the available memory due to an application taking most of the resource. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel SimTechBD. Today I will discuss how to find high memory use apps on Windows 11. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Open Start on Windows 11. Search for Task Manager and click the top result to open the app. Click on Process. Click the memory column header to sort the apps by memory use. Confirm the top apps using the most memory on Windows 11. Select the apps using the most RAM and click the In Task button to terminate. Once you complete the step, you will know the apps using the most memory on Windows 11. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.